Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a roadmap in Canva. Maybe you're making a roadmap for your team, your brand, your company, your students, or anyone for any purpose. So making a roadmap is important. And the best part of Canva is you can create and customize already made templates that have been designed by professionals and creatives. Now you can see there are a lot of options. Explore those and choose whichever you like. Maybe you need a product roadmap, a property roadmap, or a business roadmap. I like this one because it's free and it looks really good. So I'll just click on it and I'll go to customize it. If you don't like any particular template, just hit Show More and keep exploring. Take a few minutes and you might find a version that's even better than you expected. Just customize that one. After that, you can modify anything you want. Now you have access to edit whatever you need. For example, if you want to change the font or text, you can just double-click on it and edit whatever you want. To change the text or font, just go to the font option and choose any font you like. You can see I can modify whatever I want. If you want to change the color, just go to the color and you can change it like this. If you want to play around with it more, just experiment and make it your own. I'll do the same process, adding whatever data or text I need to implement. After you've finished all your changes and branding, check it once again. If you're ready to export, go to Share and go to Download. And since this is a presentation, I'll be downloading it in PDF format so I can share it, and all the slides will show up for my viewers. Just hit Download. If you want to download it in MP4 or PPTX, then those formats are available for you as well. I'll just download it, and there you go. Your roadmap is ready to go. You saw how easy it is and how helpful it is for beginners who don't know how to create graphics. Within a few minutes, I made a business roadmap, and you can too. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.